Ready to ditch those generic, impersonal contracts and automate adding client names directly into your DocuSign agreements. First, head over to your DocuSign account and navigate to the Templates tab. If you don't have one already, create a template from the document you frequently use. Open the template you want to personalize with client names. Now, in the template editor, look to the left-hand panel and find the standard fields section here. You'll find various field options, including text. Drag and drop a text field onto the exact spot in your document where you want the client's name to appear, whether that is at the very top of the page or at the signature line. With the text field now on your document, a Properties window will appear in the Properties. Make sure the recipient is set to Recipient 1. DocuSign uses Recipient 1 for the first signer, which will be your client. Next, scroll down to the Data Label field. This is where you'll give your field a unique name. Enter something descriptive like client name. This label is what you will use to dynamically populate the field later. Repeat these steps for all the places in your document where you want the client's name to appear. Be sure to give each field a unique data label to keep things organized. That's it. Now, when you go to use or send this template, you'll see the client name field ready for you to fill in, automatically personalizing each agreement.